Okay, everyone, listen up. I don't want to hear any quacks, squeaks, oinks, whinnies, or cockily-doodle-doos when I say dodgeball.
Pump it up, pump it, pump it, pump it.
Split into two teams. Popular versus unpopular.
Coach,
Yeah, unpopular.
shouldn't we review safety guidelines?
Sure. Hit the pig, kids.
Calm down, Runt. Just do what Fish is doing. Woo! Good morning.
I had a run-in with my old nemesis.
Scum in the crosswalk.
You won this round.
Your old foe.
Mm-hmm.
Incoming on your right. Yeah, I heard about the movie. Tough break.
Yeah.
Well, hey, maybe it'll just go straight to video.
That's the least of my problems. Oh, this morning, my dad told me I should basically just disappear. But you know, that's not gonna get me down because I've got a plan. You want to hear about it?
Uh-oh.
No. This one's good. Okay, well, look. One moment destroyed my life, right? One moment. Warthog at 3 o'clock.
I see him. Yes.
So I figure all I need is a chance. All I need is a chance to do something great to make everyone forget the whole sky falling thing once and for all. And then my dad will finally have a reason to be proud of me.